Three words that best describe a new attitude at Mahindra Satyam. Bring it on. Give us a new challenge and we will address it with courage, conviction and commitment. We will delight our customers always and rebuild this great organization.
For me, Bring It On would mean rejuvenation. Rejuvenation of our heart and soul. Rejuvenation of the energy, of the enthusiasm, of the togetherness.
Bring It On to me is about tying both my feet to a bungee rope, giving a plunge, experiencing the lowest of low, the darkness of it all, and coming back with a yee-haw and say, I want more.
Bring It On to me means the ability to answer tough questions in a candid manner.
Bring It On to me represents a step towards creating and being a transparent organization.
New challenges, new battles, new wars to be won. I'm ready. Bring it on.
Bring It On to me means being energized at work.
Bring It On for me is an affirmation that we are back in business for new challenges, opportunities, and competition.
Bring it on to me means fun at workplace. It means more rewards for the work that you do sooner. It also means a lot of research in my field of architecture and design.
Bring It On to me is to have passion to deliver on results, show your passion for achievement, and have a can-do attitude.
Bring It On for me is change of a mindset, to leave our past behind and to look at the bright future ahead of us.
Bring It On to me means we are more open to accepting any challenge that comes our way.
Bring it on. It's about challenging the boundaries. It's about achieving whatever I wish in my life.
If there is one word that captures the spirit of Bring It On, it's attitude. An attitude of optimism, of strength, and of a belief in ourselves.
Attitude is to never say die and go for victory. That's what attitude is.
Attitude to me means three things. Be open, build relationships, and take risks which are worth taking.
My new attitude really is a revival of my old one, to be positive and working hard with a collaborative mindset.
Attitude to me is about staying happy always. It's about enjoying your work, about collaborating with people around, and learning that no one wins unless everyone wins.
Look that storm right in the eye and say, I want to play. That's attitude.
Attitude reminds me of Jimmy Dean's quote. If I can't change the direction of the wind, I can adjust my sail to reach my destination. Attitude is contagious. Is your word catching?
Attitude to me is to be simple and straightforward in your words and deeds. That is to be open and transparent.
Attitude. Attitude is a state of mind which distinguishes yourself from others and keeps you on track to achieve your personal and professional goals effectively.
Attitude to me means faith, optimism, and the killer instinct to convert your faith into reality and maintain the optimism.
Attitude for me is getting it done. Anytime, every time.
Attitude, for me, it's all about reflection of my inner self.
The Bring It On campaign aims to change the culture of Mahindra Satyam to help build a creative and dynamic environment in our organization to make Mahindra Satyam an enviable place to work in the global IT industry.